How to restore missing microphone icon on Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on messages app. Now here, so click on keyboard, so you will see. So microphone is not showing here, so if you want to restore, go back to home screen and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on keyboard. So after click on keyboard, so you will see keyboard button on navigation bar is here. So first of all, turn on this button. So after turn on keyboard button on navigation bar, turn on this button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen and click on messages app, and you will see click on keyboard. Microphone is restored. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can restore missing microphone icon on Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.